Okay, we are getting down to the wire with the fireplace project. And today we are, it was a huge question as to what to fill into the gap between the mantel and the first row of stone. And I have decided to have Tommy cut me really thin pieces. And it's been a real chore. This stone crumbles so easily, cracks, falls apart in your hands. But I think we've got this piece together. Tommy has mixed up some very thin mortar, and he's going to set in one piece at a time. It's going to be like gluing in a puzzle. Would you liken it to that, Tommy?
Yeah, I would.
Oh, it's actually been very, very nerve-wracking, and you know, if I had it to do all over again, I would have made sure that my mantelpiece was exactly the same height as one of their pre-cut pieces, instead of being off, which it is. But come and check it out and see where we're at. You know, the thing about my channel, Tommy, is that I always tell the bad with the good, or the hard with the easy.
Yeah.
I don't ever just make it sound like, oh, this is a piece of cake. This was so easy. This was so fun.
It never is it?
Well, life is just not like that. What we had to do is literally find 1/4 to 3/8 inch pieces to go all the way across. And I admit I was involved. I did a lot of pointing. And I'm gonna come along behind you, Tommy, and use my little rag.
Yeah, that'd be
Clean
great.
that up.
That'd be great.
Well, you're not wasting any time.
Huh?
I said you're not, ooh, that's a lot of mortar.
I know, but I'm trying to get it.
I know what you're doing.
Tight.
Oh yeah,
Once we clean it up, it'll make the stone come out. Give me that screwdriver, please. Thank you. Let's see. I don't know if I did any good by putting the tung oil on first, to tell you the truth. I mean, maybe it protected it a little bit, but Because I can wet it down and then that's not good? Is that what you're...
Yeah, I'd let it dry just a little bit, just get the worst off of it,
Right.
and then,
And this is the pale gray?
yeah.
Is it the same, it's a different color than you used on the hearth, right?
What's that?
It's a different color than you used on the hearthstones.
Yes,
That was more muddy color.
yeah. Yeah, you're right.
But is this the color you're using right now, the same color you put behind all of it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Does it look different to you?
No, I just couldn't remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. It broke. It broke into 3 pieces. Yeah. We can't even fix that because it's too broken now. Yeah, that's going to be difficult because that's really uneven
Yeah,
back
let me
there.
get a smaller one.
Okay.
Let me go.
But I'm just saying that behind it, unless I get a little bit more of that out.
Okay, I'll go cut one.
Okay. I had picked out this incredible little piece that just fit into this spot, but this stuff just shatters. You know, if I'd known about all this stuff, I would have made some different decisions. This almost seems like caulking here, rather than mortar. It's going to have to be a very small piece that fits into there. Well, any luck?
Maybe. No, it needs to be thinned on down.
More thin?
Yeah.
I need a little something right in there. Cover that up. Yeah, when I clean all this off better, it might look okay. This poor walnut. I was handling it with baby gloves.
Well,
Yes, no? No? Do you need help?
no.
Okay. This one? Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah.
That is so small. How about if I get more of this stuff out?
Let's see if I can go in there. There we go, but it's got to be thinner.
That's well, oh, if it was just, if the rock wasn't so rough, yeah, it really needs to face this way. But I don't think you'll ever
This
get.
way?
Well, I was going to say, technically, wait, hang on. Yeah, technically it's supposed to be this way, but you're never going to get that.
Well, I'm
So-
just trying to get something.
I understand. So maybe, yeah, maybe cut it like just
Thin
right
it
there.
just a little more.
Yeah, and just, if you can just shave off those bumps on the top. It's just that this is really, I just think if that was mortar, that would not be, I think that must be caulking. It'd kill me if I mess all this up, but I just feel like I want to move this down a little. You got the right thinness, but it's too deep. I don't know how you're ever gonna. Well, you may be able to shave that in half. But that's what it'll take, probably. I think that'll work. See, it's back there. There's too much caulking or mortar or something. I was trying to dig it out, but it's just not coming out. You cut that. I'm afraid if you cut that again, it'll just disintegrate in your hand.
I could do it.
I'm going to keep digging on this. Maybe it'll give a little. We put mortar in there. If that doesn't work, we put just mortar in there.
I mean, it's just so
Yeah,
little. Right
little
there.
bitty. Yeah. And then you still got a gap.
I don't know. That still don't look right, does it?
No. But maybe if we push it down and put a different piece in there. How about this one?
What if I cut?
This little thing. That could work. Can you make this piece just, see how it's going like that? Can you just make it straight cut right there?
Yeah.
That'll work. It's like a puzzle. It's like a puzzle. I think this might work.
What do you got?
That little piece just, now, I don't know how you, I don't know how, I think it got turned, or maybe I turned it the wrong way. This actually looks good. We'll put a little mortar in there. But see, this piece is flush with this piece. So even though this is inset, it's still flush with this piece, so I think it's okay.
All right.
Don't you?
Yeah.
And then,
I wouldn't even take it out.
I'm not,
I would just put it in there with my hands and kind of rake it back.
you mean the mortar?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one, I think if you just cut this off, straight right there,
Okay.
I think it'll fit. And just bring it back the same direction so I know how it goes in there.
Now you can't cut solid marble smaller than that.
I know. Is this the way I handed it to
Yeah,
you?
it is.
Okay, I don't remember. This way? Okay, Mr. Key,
What?
I think we've got it. I mean, it's, we're gonna have some mortar there. but-
I'll fix and pay you off. How much do I owe you? I gotta have a BC powder, Miss Kaye.
Oh, gosh, you got a headache? I'm sorry.
You don't have this thing running.
My project, yeah, I do, but I can cut it out. Oh, you are making such a mess. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah.
How are we ever gonna get that cleaned up?
Oh, yeah, we will.
Here. You might be missing your friend here. So I think that was the actual last piece,
Yes.
was it not?
Yes.
We just put in the last piece. I think I'm gonna miss the sound of your saw going out there once you get done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I could lease that to you and you could just run it, you know?
Turn it on.
Yeah.
Remember the good times?
I had a no diesel truck and my wife and I would be going somewhere and it would put her to sleep.
Really?
Yeah. I miss that truck.